Okay, letter B, using the same property. Now I have C's and D's. So it's really extremely important that I keep my C's with my C's and my D's with my D's. So on the numerator, I see c to the -1, and then as a denominator, I have c to the 5th. So that's going to give me c to the -1 minus 5. And then for the D's, I'll use a different color. In the numerator, I see d to the 3rd, and in the denominator, I see d to the -4th. So we have to be careful here because it's in the denominator, so I'm going to have 3 minus -4. I'm going to have two negatives here. All right, let's simplify c. So -1 minus 5, that's like owing you $1 and then owing you 5 more, so it's going to be c to the -6. And then d, now I have two negatives next to each other, which means a positive, so I get 3 plus 4. So that gives me d to the 7th. Now I'm not quite finished yet. I have a negative exponent, so I need to put it where it belongs. So I see c to the -6, which means it goes into the denominator, so I'll have c to the +6 once it's moved to where it's supposed to be, and then d to the 7th on the top. And that's my answer.